this is the airsoft shooting.
I mean, because you're fluffy. Like, it doesn't hurt you.
Aaron, you give permission to do this, right?
I'm giving you permission. Let's do it. This is the airsoft shooting.
Go put your hand over
Let's
there.
do it. Let's do it. Are you gonna be that close?
Right here, man. Right here. Yep.
Don't be a bitch.
Yeah, when I say go, go, okay?
Ish.
When I say go.
Ish.
What's that mean?
Dean, take the camera. Just keep it over there. Put your hand out there. Come on.
You gotta back us some more. Back us some more.
This is as far back as I can get.
Okay.
Put it up against the wall.
Do it this way.
The wall take no sense like that.
Hey, I see you trying to aim already. Get ready.
Play it off for the camera. Did he hit it?
Come the fuck on now. I'm a fucking marksman.
But you know what the reward is.
Yeah, but oh shit.
Don't say the reward. Just yeah.